Do you see that? It looks like Zatara is in the bay. That's cool, right? So we sent him a quick message. Maybe we'll get to meet up. That would be amazing. They've been inspiring us for a long time, so it would be super cool. Last week we sailed from the Butterfly Valley in the south of Turkey to the Bay of Fethiye, where we encountered a pretty bad storm and dragged anchor with lots of other boats. We then continued through the Bay of Göcek to end up in Marmaris, which is where this week's episode starts. In 2022 we sold our house and quit our job to sail around the world. We started in Cyprus and then moved north to Turkey, where we are exploring the south coast. Follow our journey around the world as we slowly keep on moving westwards. Yeah, some nice boats around here. We are off to a new anchorage near Marmaris for better protection with the Mindset family. Just there behind us. Got some westerly winds coming up to 30 knots gusts over the next few days, so hopefully we'll be safe and comfy there. Seeing some friends in the bay, that's always nice. And we want to anchor so we can get to the market and be safe for the storm. Busy place. I'm sure there'll be a spot for us too. Ah, that's nice. I think I can even spot Zatara over there. That's fun. Maybe we get to meet them too. Hello! Hey, Biscuit. Hello, Lily. Are you not happy? Ai, ai, ai. Wat is er, Mops?
Did you have enough?
Wat is er?
Here we go.
Yeah, exactly. That's cool. Hey, nice one. That's awesome. Thanks a lot.
Josje was wondering if she could still take the offer on having a look in Kate's room.
Yeah, come on. I'll take you over there right quick.
Josje.
Nou, mag? You want me to join? Yeah? Okay, let's go. It's okay, Josje.
This is the boys' home. Bedroom. Kate's new all sorts of stuff here.
Nice.
Yeah, and then down at the back is Jack's room.
Nice one.
This is Jack's room.
Hey, nice. Amazing.
And that's the captain's speak up there.
Okay, yeah.
Used for storage.
Ah, perfect, yeah. Toys, gadgets and everything. Nice one. Ah.
I can show you the deck if you'd like.
Yeah, definitely. We'd love to, yeah. Isn't that amazing? Getting a personal tour on Zatara.
Yes, sir.
As the Dutch sailing family, that's what we are.
Yeah.
So yes, but we're still growing. We're just getting started. Huh?
Nice.
Yeah. Doe maar, ga maar. Follow Kate. Josje, it's fine. Go. Nice, huh? Beautiful. I love your shade covers as well. It's so nice. When it gets hot, you'll be absolutely fine, right?
I know, it's real nice. We're gonna get some cushions right there on the wood.
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
can lay out. That's
Yeah.
kind of the last project we're doing. We've
All right.
gotten all the chairs redone and everything, but this
Okay.
is like the last bit.
Yeah, super. So, you know, now you completed like round the world.
Yeah. We
Then
just
what's the
completed-
plan after that? You're not stopping, right?
I have no idea. We're gonna go to, we're gonna cross the Atlantic, go to the Caribbean, and then
Okay.
we don't know after that. We may stay in the Caribbean, we may move to the United States, or we may keep going across
Yeah.
the Pacific again.
Anything's possible. Yeah. Keith was saying the Pacific was amazing, you know, both for kid boats and everything. We'd love to get there, to be honest.
Which boat are you on?
We are on Roxy, the Lagoon 420 just there.
Oh, okay.
It's, yeah, 15-year-old boat, still floats for now.
It works.
Yeah, exactly. Nice, happy? Yeah. Cool. It's a good dinghy, yeah? Maybe we should upgrade to this as well, Keith.
That's right.
I like this.
Gotta go fast dinghy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
What it's like not to get wet.
Yeah, exactly. Nice one. Woohoo! Comfy. Well, there you go. Just got off the Zatara boat. Isn't that cool? They're super nice, right? Kids came by, dropped us some stickers, and then we just ended up on their boat. That's amazing. Beautiful boat, of course, and really nice. They're not just on YouTube, they're a real thing. It's amazing, huh? Josja? Just very happy. You see the smile? Of course, a huge thank you from us to everyone on Zatara, being so friendly and welcoming. You guys have been such an inspiration to us and so many others, and it's also thanks to you that we are now living this amazing lifestyle. With challenges, but especially so many rewards. Thank you guys, we hope to meet you again one day.
Oh, there went the dinghy on its own. Luckily we have two very aware toddlers walking around here. These two little girls spotted it. I think Rainier's gonna make it. He told me to get the subboard just in case he wouldn't make it, but he's almost there. So I'll just film instead. There he is. Well done. We still have a dinghy.
And that's it. Like that, we leave Marmaris behind. I think we had a really good time. We met Zatara, we met One Ocean, we spent time with Mindset, we met Bobby, we kite foiled in the bay. Pretty amazing, done lots of things. On to new adventures again. Sails are up, winds are light, but we should have some wind today. Pretty excited. Well. Fun so far. Started off with sailing, some motoring, more sailing as the wind picked up. 9, 10, 12 knots, 14 and 23 knots. That's a bit much, and then directly in front of us. So now we put the sails away, we're motoring directly into the wind. Never mind, it was a nice try. Yeah, breezy. So we're looking towards Rhodes over there, which is really nice, amazing to see, because many of our friends are there from the marina that we still know. And yeah, Turkey on this side. Motoring into a headwind, but almost there. 4.5 miles to the entry into the bay. Be fine. Yeah, you never hope to go into a headwind, but it happens sometimes. Not to worry. The sea is much calmer already, which helps a lot. We bounced quite a lot on slightly bigger waves and chop. That's calming down already, which is super. And then soon we can chill. I wonder if you can paddleboard in the bay, whether it's nice and smooth there or crazy as well. It's very sheltered. Let me show you on the map. Target is depth. Almost dinner time.
That's good one.
Entering the bay. Vind je het mooi? Leuk hè? Wat? Ja.
Daar kunnen dieren wonen.
Ja, wie weet. Leuk hè?
Dan kunnen ze aaien.
Yes!
En papa,
Ja.
er is ook een klein restaurantje met allemaal raampjes.
Wow, dat zal mooi zijn. And we are here in the bay. Anchored twice. First time we ended up too close to this Bali. So we picked up, did it again. And also again, there's 5 times already I think that we have the wind change exactly as we are anchoring. So all the change and the position of the boats change. It makes it a bit complicated, but anyway, happy now. I think we'll go over to the neighbors, maybe on land somewhere. Let's see. It's already 5:30, almost 6. So that goes fast. It's been a nice day. We had a quick swim, Lily, right? And that's it.
Heb je de golven gezien, Lily, zo?
Dat zijn zulke hoge golven. Die zijn leuk.
Running another small cape, going to Bozburun. We'll be there in about, well, in 2 hours we should be there. In a direct line it's only 8 miles. Following still our friends of Mindset, and we're looking out over Simi on that side. Many say it's a beautiful island, but we're in Turkey now, so we can't just hop over to Simi without checking out, checking in. So we'll have to miss that one and check out lots of other Greek islands later. But still, Turkey is beautiful as well. Now we get some swell from the ferry boat. Feels nice. Look at the ferry boat swell. Whee! Dat gaat lekker hè? Dat is dus...
Nog een keer 10 mag doen.
I think that's how it feels to sail the Atlantic Ocean on the
Yeah.
big swell. Nice.
Dat gaat lekker, hè?
Could do that forever, I think.
Ja. Wat
En
wil je
2.
zeggen?
Whee!
That's Sailing Family.
Joehoe!
And now we're going into Yesilova Bay near Bozburun in Turkey. So very nice. Summer is here now. It was very calm winds, strong sunshine, amazing. And so we arrive in Bozburun in southern Turkey, where we ended up spending a good amount of time. For one, because it was a beautiful place, and two, because we would soon have some repairs to do. See you in the next episode.